Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled The Long Wispy Tail of Comet R3 PanSTARRS. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see another image of the comet known as R3, or also known as PanSTARRS. Now, the comet actually has the head toward the bottom here, toward the bottom left, and a tail stretching out toward the upper right. Now, the tail is very wispy, as we can see various structures in it here. The tail of a comet is formed by the sun. So, the sun vaporizes material off the head of the comet, which is completely invisible here, something only a few kilometers in size, a ball of ice and dust. And as it comes close to the sun, that material gets heated up, vaporized, and forms a coma, the greenish glow we see around the head of the comet. The solar wind will then push that material back away from the sun. So this tail points always directly away from the sun, and the different structures that we see are because the solar wind is not completely uniform. The solar wind will change. There will be times where it's more or less intense, just as you might get with a wind here on Earth. So we can see different structures in it in a case like this. Now, PanSTARRS is currently visible in the sky. It's currently visible in the northern sky, and it will be visible to those in the north for about another week and a half. At that point, it will be transitioning into the southern hemisphere and will be visible to viewers there. Now, the comet itself really needs a camera or a telescope to be able to be seen. So to get an image like this, you have to take a longer exposure to bring out all of that detail. At this point, it's not visible to the unaided eye, but it could be so in the near future as it approaches both the sun shortly and then the Earth shortly after that. And while I say it approaches Earth, that just means that it's going to make its closest approach to Earth. It will still be a vast distance from Earth and no chance that we will come anywhere near the comet. Now, the brightness of a comet is very difficult to predict. Estimates think that this will get up to maybe a magnitude 3, something that you would be able to see with the unaided eye. And that would probably occur in about a week to 10 days from now. That would be when it's its brightest. That's when it's closest to Earth and has also been closest to the sun, the two things that will make a comet brighter. Now, we don't know the exact details. We can't really say exactly that's how bright it will get. It might do not as well, or it might do even better and become even brighter than that. And that's something we're just going to have to watch over the next couple of weeks and see what happens with Comet R3. So that was our picture of the day, titled The Long Wispy Tail of Comet R3 PanSTARRS. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.